NIGO genderete konikiwa ase chiskuru chia secondary ao imeyense echo chiarigete Omobaro Omonene Bw'Egredi Bw'Egredi gekomi egati chiskuru echo eyamo yabo ne skuru yabamura ya Machakos ase omwarimu omonene bwa skuru eyo Benson Mano anyareko bakagwesokia na goteba ng'a nigo barigetie Omobaro Omonene Bw'Egredi chimisa chipose chimikianda 52 ase bona atebire nigo yarenge mamincha na abaorokigwa abo banyate kwa bakorikiwa ase skuru yo ase Omobaro bw'echimisano na isato na ikomi abakagere korikiwa wikira bonigo.
And I mentioned that our capacity was 810 initially. That is the number of students approved. But when the pressure for the admission went up, we requested the ministry through the director secondary to increase our capacity, and they increased the capacity to 950. So that was approved because of the pressure of parents looking for chance in our school. And I think we really appreciate that kind of a gesture from the Minister of Education. So far we are okay with the numbers. I think with regard to the President's directive on reporting, we did not have a challenge because most of our students reported the first week, and the few that were remaining at home reported the second week. There were a few isolated cases. There were some students sponsored by JKF, for example, and other organizations who are needy. So those were admitted last week. And so by this time, we have no new students reporting because we are full house. The teaching and learning began a week ago, and we are doing